Dear students, with reference to the power and functions of President of India, I have taught you many powers of the President of India, like legislative powers, executive powers, and military powers. Also, I have taught you discretionary powers. Also, I have taught you. In this video, I am going to teach you emergency powers. There are three type of emergencies has been have been mentioned in our constitution, and one tips I will give you. After that, you people will be very much comfortable and you can learn articles very easy way. Only one article must be learned and other two will be learned by one tips. What is my tips? First emergency is there, national emergency or general emergency. Sorry, and it is mentioned in article 352. Second emergency is there, state emergency. Only 4 added means 352 plus 4. So second article will be there 356, and again you will add 4. Then last article is there 360. So there are 3 articles. Article 352, in that one general emergency has been given, or we can say national emergency has been mentioned. Second one 4 add, then new article will be coming 356. Okay, that is the state emergency. And third emergency, that is financial emergency, and it has been mentioned in article 360. So easily 3 articles must be learned, and one by one I'll teach you each and every emergency. So dear students, what do you mean by emergency? First one, an emergency is a sudden or unforeseen situation demanding immediate action. Like suppose China attacked on India. I think you know that China attacked on India in 1962. So again it can be possible. Pakistan also attacked on India. Again it can be possible. In that circumstances, that is very very crucial time, and immediate action is required. In that circumstances, President of India can declared national emergency. And next point I have taught you, next article, this one 352, and state emergency will be declared by President of India when breakdown of the constitutional machineries. What do you mean by this? Breakdown of the constitutional machinery means is each and every state having one state government. Suppose state government is failed to maintain law and order, and lawlessness is there, a complete anarchy is created in the state, and lawlessness will be there, then President of India will declare state emergency on respective state, and he will use article 356. And last one, just I have taught you that financial emergency, setback to the financial stability or credit system collapse. In that circumstances, President of India is empowered to declare financial emergency. And for information I would like to mention here, first emergency I have taught you, national emergency or general emergency has been imposed many times, and state emergency are when breakdown of the constitution machinery is taken place. So that was also introduced or declared many times. But we are lucky that financial emergency till today has not been declared. So financial crisis came to India, I think but our government was able to handle the situation, and that's why article 360 has not been implemented till today. So now I am going to teach you first emergency, that is national or general emergency. So first one I would like to teach you what is the circumstances if the president is satisfied that a grave emergency exists whereby the security of India or any part its territory is threatened either by the war or by external aggression or armed rebellion. There are two keywords. External aggression means if China attacked on India or any foreign attack taken place, so that is known as external aggression. So if external aggression will be there, or armed rebellion. Rebellion, I think my students are very much familiar. What is armed rebellion? Suppose our air force or our standing army or navy, means which organ, which army organization having arms, and they started a revolution. Okay, they created ruckus and started revolution. In that circumstances, President of India will introduce declared national emergency. So he may proclaim an emergency. The president can't issue such a proclamation unless he has the approval in writing of the Union Cabinet. So here one more point is there I would like to mention here, that is very very interesting. If Cabinet including Prime Minister will give information, will recommend for national emergency in written form, not orally, in written form, then only President of India will proclaim or declared general emergency. With reference to the duration, duration means suppose President of India today introduce national emergency. So what will be the duration? Even proclamation of the emergency must be approved by both House of the Parliament within 1 month by a special majority. A special majority means 2/3 majority. Then it can't be remain in operation for more than 6 months at a time. Meaning, suppose today President of India has declared emergency, so upcoming 6 months it will be there, and one condition is there: if Parliament will pass, Parliament will ratify, approved that emergency, so 6 months it will continue at a time. At the end of 6 months, it has to be renewed by the Parliament by special majority, else it lapse. Suppose, example I am giving. Suppose today President of India declared emergency, and today September is there. So after 6 months, means from today it will be started, and it will continue till 6 months. And before this one condition is there: within 1 month, it should be approved by, ratified by both houses of the Parliament by special majority. Then for 6 months it will be continue at a time. But suppose our cabinet or our government observing that more duration required, then again for renewal, approval of the Parliament is required. Now going to teach this one reading point is there. Even proclamation of emergency must be approved by both House of the Parliament within 1 month by special majority. By special majority means by a majority of the total membership of the House and majority of not less than 2/3 of the member present and voting. It can't remain in operation for more than 6 months at a time. At the end of the 6 months, it has to be renewed by Parliament by special majority, else it will be lapse. Suppose after 6 months again approval had not given by parliament by special majority, then it will be automatically lapse. If the Lok Sabha passes a resolution disapproving the emergency, the president has to revoke the proclamation. Understood this one? Now, so in this video only this much. Next video I'll teach you the effects of the general emergency, and then I'll teach you next. So next video I'll teach in detail. Thank you.